Hey guys, Tracy Wiggins here, eXp Realty, coming to you with another beautiful home showing. Guys, this time I am in Nashville, Tennessee. That's right, I am your agent for Georgia and Tennessee. This time we are looking at this beautiful home located in the Carrington Place subdivision. This is the last home that was built by Celebration Homes, and it is priced at $599,999. That's $599,999. It is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 2,933 square feet. Guys, this is another video, so you know what I'd like for you to do. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you would know the next time I drop a video. Let's go inside. guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's home tour in the beautiful city of Nashville, Tennessee. I certainly enjoyed sharing this home with you. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll know the next time that I do a home tour. If you'd like to work with me, you'll find my information here on the screen as well as in the comments, and I would absolutely love to make a boss move with you. Take care. See you on the next video.